What questions are asked in a district attorney interview? If you are curious about what to expect in a district attorney interview, you are in the right place. Understanding the types of questions asked can help you prepare effectively. Let's break down the common themes and specific questions you might encounter. First, interviewers often want to gauge your motivation and commitment. You might be asked, why do you want to be a district attorney or prosecutor? This question helps them understand your dedication to public service. Another common question is, what inspired you to pursue a career in criminal prosecution? This gives you a chance to share your passion for the field. Additionally, they may ask, why do you want to work in this particular district attorney's office? This shows your interest in their specific mission and values. Next, expect questions about your legal experience and skills. You could be asked, can you describe your experience handling criminal cases or relevant legal work? This is your opportunity to highlight any internships or clerkships. Another question might be, what is one skill or strength that distinguishes you as a candidate for this role? Think about what sets you apart. They may also ask, how do you manage your time and prioritize cases? This assesses your organizational skills and ability to handle a busy caseload. Ethical scenarios are also a big part of these interviews. You might face questions like, how would you handle a situation where witnesses may be lying or withholding information? This tests your ethical reasoning. Another question could be, what would you do if you discovered evidence that could exonerate a defendant? This shows how you balance justice with fairness. They may also ask, how do you balance the rights of the accused with the interests of victims and the community? This is crucial for any prosecutor. Your approach to prosecutorial discretion is another key area. You may be asked, what is your approach to plea bargaining? This question assesses your understanding of negotiation. Another might be, how do you decide which cases to prioritize for prosecution? This shows your decision-making skills. They may also inquire, how do you work with law enforcement and other stakeholders to build cases? This highlights your teamwork abilities. Handling difficult cases and public interaction is also significant. You might be asked, have you had experience with high-profile or sensitive cases? How did you manage them? This allows you to showcase your professionalism. Another question could be, how do you communicate with the media and the public while maintaining case integrity? This is important for maintaining public trust. Finally, expect questions about your personal and law school background. You may be asked, tell me about yourself beyond your resume. This is your chance to connect your personal story to your career. Another question might be, what was your most challenging or rewarding experience in law school? This helps them see how you handle challenges. They may also ask, how do your academic and extracurricular experiences prepare you for this role? This ties your education to the job. You may also encounter practical exercises during the interview. For example, you could be asked to present a mock opening or closing statement or respond to a hypothetical trial scenario. This tests your courtroom readiness and litigation skills. In summary, a district attorney interview covers a range of topics, from your motivation and legal knowledge to ethical judgment and communication skills. Preparing thoughtful responses and examples from your experiences will help you demonstrate your readiness for this important role.